Multifamily Mindset
podcast. Think bigger.
Hey everyone, good morning. What is up? My name is Dallas Pruitt. You know the drill. We are here for the Daily Drip every single day here on the MFM podcast to provide you with ideas and insight to help you continuously grow towards that life you are working hard to create and achieve those goals you are working hard to accomplish and find journey along that way. What I want to do today is loop all the way back. I've covered this a number of times as we've continued forward here on the podcast, but it's worth coming to regularly because post-performance reviews really help you separate your process from the outcome. And if you are in this for the long haul, that is something you are going to have to learn to become very comfortable with. So again, post-performance review. One of the best ways to do this is to answer these same three questions that I'm going to deliver today, no matter the result. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, at the end of accomplishing some grade to your work, whether it's the final product or either subtasks leading up to that final product, at the end of your day, whatever it is, at the end of a process here, these are three amazing questions to ask, and they're very simple, they're very easy to ask, but they produce powerful results. So here they are. And this is what I use for my post-performance reviews. It's actually part of the progression within a number of the journals that I've developed over the course of my career in helping other organizations and individuals in their process. And here they are. It says, what went well? What did I learn? And what am I going to do better next time? Look, this breeds consistency. This three-step recipe here breeds consistency. Identifying areas in which you excelled, where things went well. Identifying areas where maybe things didn't go so well. Maybe there was some failure. And then asking what I learned, what I'm going to do about it. Giving yourself control, taking advantage of that agency that you have. Again, these are the same questions I ask myself at the end of all my processes. Again, subtasks, days, weeks, months, projects being completed, whatever it may be. And they're simple, they're easy, and they're powerful. So my invite today is just utilize this recipe for consistency. Apply it in your daily, weekly, monthly life within your process as you accomplish tasks, as you finish up days, and you will find that your level of consistency is enhanced and increased by asking some very simple, very easy, very powerful questions on a regular basis. Have a great day, everybody, and we will see you guys back here on the podcast again tomorrow.
Multifamily Mindset
Podcast. Think bigger.